Hello friends, this is Bhatosh here. Welcome to my channel Perfect Analyst. Today's topic is about filters in Power BI. So, what are the different types of filters available in Power BI? How you are going to use this in Power BI? So, when you say filters, you must be knowing these words, right? In our daily life, we use this word filter. So, what does it means? So filter is nothing but in general terms I'm saying a device where you are going to select particular element to pass through that device, and at the result you are seeing only those elements which you want to see. Normal life I'm saying. So the same thing you can apply. You might have already used this in Excel. There is a filter option available where you are going to select particular columns. Let's say if you have a sales data and you want to filter only particular years to be filtered, only you are going to filter particular years and you are going to select only 1 year, so you can able to see only the data pertaining to that particular years, right? So that is in Excel. The same thing in Power BI. You can also able to filter based on your selection. So a simple example I will tell you about filter. So whenever you are going to any online store and you are trying to purchase uh, any garments or any product, so the Amazon or the Mintra.com or Flipkart, all the website, they will have one option to filter. You can select based on your price, you can select the product based color, even you can select based on your size, right? So these are nothing but the filters. So you are going to select based on your choice, right? And the result will show you based on your selection. So in simple term, this is called filter. The same thing can be applied in Power BI. Okay, so in Power BI also, if you have a data and you want to show or you want to see only those data which you want to select, so that's why you are going to use the filter option. I hope you are clear about filter. So let me share my screen and show you how you can use this filter in Power BI. So I hope you are able to see my screen. First of all, I would like to explain you what is filter in Excel, and then probably I can go to the Power BI desktop and I'll show you how you can use in Power BI. So in Excel, if you go this particular sheet, this is based on the sales data for few retailer, and all the sales informations available here. Like we have who is the owner, retailer, then date of invoice, zone belongs to which zone, state, city, what is the brand name, product ID, price per unit, and these are some sales data. Okay, so for this, if you can see here, this particular headings, right? This is the first row where all the headings, column headings are there. This column headings already filter. How you will know? If you see this symbol arrow mark, this, right, it means this entire sheet is filter. So what is filter means? You can able to choose any attributes. Let's say here we have different zone, right? So this is already filter. That's why you can able to see which are belongs to east zone, which is north zone, which is south zone, and western. All the four zones you can able to select. Let me select first east zone and show you. If you'll see, okay, Now the result will show you only those informations that belongs to east zone. Okay, here you can only see the east zone. I came up to the last row and I can only see the east, right? Only east in this edge column. So you have filter, and based on your selection, the data is visible. Similarly, you can select different columns, and you can select different types of attributes. Based on your selection, it will show you result. Okay. Let me go to Power BI and show you the same here. How you can use this in Power BI. In Power BI, as because it also have the different types of report. Like you can also have a visible like chart, graph, tables, pie chart, column chart, different types of chart, right? So based on your selection also there are different types of uh, filters are there. So if you see in Power BI there are majorly three types of filters. One is a visual level filter, where visual level filters apply to a single visual on a report page. If you have a many charts, so visual level will apply to any particular chart. Page level filters only filter the data on a given page. So you have, suppose there are three or four charts, and you have applied page level, means it will apply to the all the charts. When it comes to report level, used to apply a filter condition on the entire report. How entire report? Let's say in a report there are multiple pages, there are four pages are there. So if you apply the report level, it will apply to the all the pages, the charts of all the pages. So that is called report level filter. So how? Let me show in Power BI desktop. Okay, this is Power BI desktop, and I have not used any chart or graph. I have not done anything. I have only connected the data Excel. I have already loaded the data, and the data is the column headings see on the right here. Okay, the same data, this whatever available in Excel, the same I have updated in Power BI. Okay, so now let me go to explain you. The first one is visual level filters. If you can see here, there is a option filters. Now you can see two options. One is filter on this page and filters on all pages. Okay, now let me go back and show you here. So one is page level, and another is report level. So initially when you open this page, you will not able to see one filter option, that is called visual level. So here you will not able to see the visual level filters. The moment you select any chart, or if you create any chart here, then you can able to see the visual level page or visual level filter. So let me select one pie chart here. Yes, yeah. So now the moment I selected the pie chart, now you can see here there is another option, filter option added, visual on this, filters on this visual, right? That means in this visual you are going to filter, you are going to apply the filters. That's why if I will delete here, it will go, it will not appear here, right? So that is filters on this visual. So let me do that here. I'll select, and I want to see zone wise, let's say zone wise sales data. sales, total sales. Okay, so this is zone wise. So each zone, how much sales, right? That information. And once I selected these two, automatically it is also appearing here the total sales and zones. Where it is appear, it is appeared on the filter on this visual, because I have selected this particular chart, pie chart. Right now, what is filter on this page? So this is called visual level filters. Okay, try to understand. This is called visual level filters. Now we have two more filters called, one is report level, another is page level. So what is page level? Page level filter is nothing but, this is page one, right? So suppose there are multiple charts available on the same page. This is one page and one chart. Now I want to create another chart, let's say column chart. I'll create one more chart, column chart, stacked column chart. And I want to display here uh, maybe city wise total sales. Okay, here city wise total sales, all the cities, the sales data available here. And one more chart, let's say I have created here 100%. Okay, let's say 100. Okay, now bar chart here. That's bar chart. I want the owners sales data. Okay, now maybe I can owners units sold. Okay, so sold by each retailer. So here we have three chart. One is pie chart, one is stacked column chart, bar chart. Okay, now let me tell you the difference here. When I select this particular visual, it is showing on filters on this visual, right? Whenever I select, it is only showing here. So how to apply filter on this page? I want this. I want to select particular attributes. So suppose I want to select any particular attributes and I want the changes in all this chart, because all this chart available in a single page. That's why I will use this filter on this page. What I will do, I want filter on this page. If you are to select particular state, the entire page is reflected, entire page is covered here. If I will delete this one, and let's say I will put the same thing on this visual. Okay, let me close this one. Let me create a filter, and I'll bring this on this visual. So now if I'll select here Andhra Pradesh, there is no change here. We'll not able to see any changes. Okay, but when I'll do on this page, if I'll select now, you can able to see the changes. can able to see the changes, right? So that is called filter on this page. Now let's move to filter on all pages. What I will do, let me copy this and create another page and paste here. Okay, and what I will do, I want filters on all pages. It means any selection on this filter all pages, it will reflect in every page, even page 1 and page 2. Okay, so let me check for the owner. Okay, so this is a filter. I'm going to, if I'll select here, if I'll select here, because I have created on this visual, it will reflect only here, it will not reflect here. Okay, you can able to see there is no change here, it is remain same because it is in another page, but in this page you can able to see the difference. Now what I will do is I will change this on filter on all pages. Okay, so now I am in page 2 and all are selected here. If I'll select any particular one, let's say I have selected Tata, and if I'll go here page 1, here it is selected only for Tata. If I'll go to page 2 and I'll select JK and I will go to come to page 1, it changed. Okay, so these are the difference between these three types. One is visual level, then we have page level and report level. So when you say visual level, this will filter only to a single visual on the page. When it comes to page level, it filters the data on a given page. It means it will filter to the entire page, the all the charts it will reflect in particular page, single page. But when it comes to report level, all the pages it will reflect. So these are the different types of filters in Power BI. I hope you are able to clear this. If you have any queries, please comment me and I will be happy to answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.